Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. I have seen everyone share their shower routine, so here's me trying to fit in, and this is what my everything shower routine looks like. Let's start with hair care first. So I use Wishcare's hair growth serum one night prior to my hair wash. For example, अगर मुझे पता है कि मुझे आज hair wash करना है तो मैं उसके एक रात पहले I'll use this hair growth serum. This is such a good product. ये एक स्प्रे बॉटल है. So जो भी तुम्हारे एरियाज है जहाँ पे यू फील कि थोड़ा बॉल स्पॉट है, माई मेजर हैव हैपन फ्रॉम दिस साइड. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज, दिस इज अ स्प्रे. आई अप्लाई अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्प्रे. खत्म होने आया है. I apply a little bit of spray and massage it gently, and मुझे इससे ये realize हुआ है कि मेरा hair fall बहुत कम हो गया है. To an extent it has been reduced. Trust me guys, this is an amazing product. मेरा hair fall बहुत कम हो गया है and I totally recommend this product. So cut to next day. I will start with my shampoo first. So I've been using Herbal Essences shampoo for a very long time, and this is the only product that suits my hair. This is the shampoo I am talking about. It is Herbal Essences Repair Argan Oil of Morocco, and this is so good. It makes my hair so soft and non-frizzy. It's the perfect way to start my shower routine since frizzy hair is worst for me, and this shampoo makes my hair feel non-frizzy, so soft and quite nourishing. Next up is hair mask. I have stopped using conditioner since I have started using this Dove's hair mask. This is the hair mask I'm talking about, and trust me guys, this has been a game changer. I leave it on for about like 5 to 10 minutes and I'm good to go. It hydrates and repairs my hair and makes it feel so soft. Plus it feels like getting a spa done. Next up is serum. So I've started using this Matrix hair serum. I got it in PR, so I did not expect much from it. But this serum makes my hair feel non-frizzy, and I am someone जिसके बाल बहुत जल्दी frizzy हो जाते हैं. It's maybe because I have wavy hair or something, and I've started using this product and it is quite decent, but I still use it. I like to cleanse myself with Rose and Apricots body wash. I got it from Westside. It is hydrating, it leathers up so nicely, it makes my skin feel so soft. Plus, it smells so good. Next up is body scrub. I started using Dove's pomegranate and chia seed body butter, and trust me guys, it smells so good. It smells like strawberry milkshake. It exfoliates without being too harsh. It leaves my skin super nourishing and hydrating. Plus, it smells so good. Honestly, I could spend all day in shower with just this scrub. After shower, it is time to moisturize, and my new go-to product is Plum's Vanilla Caramello body lotion. This body lotion is rich and creamy and makes me smell like dessert. This product has cocoa butter and vitamin B5. It is lightweight and it is non-greasy. And you guys, this is also a dupe for Sol de Janeiro's Boom Boom Cream, which I absolutely love, and now this has become my new favorite product. So this is what my shower routine looks like. It is very simple. Now moving on to skincare, which is again very simple. I have shown it to you guys in past videos, but I'll include it in this one as well. My skincare is pretty simple. I'll start with a gentle cleanser. Since my skin is a bit sensitive, I always prefer a gentle cleanser. And the face wash that I use is from Dot & Key. It's a foaming face wash. This is what the face wash looks like. It has vitamin C in it, which is super good. You guys, we all have been obsessed with vitamin C. This product is so good. It cleans out my face so well. Plus जो भी dust या जो भी dirt रहता है या जो भी gunk होता है, it just removes it, and I absolutely love this product. Next up, I use Clinique's toner. Of course, ये अभी खत्म हो गया because I use it on daily basis. Actually, my sister and I, we both use it on daily basis, and we are planning to restock it up. But this is such a good product. It's both for dry and sensitive skin, and also combination skin. Malab, it is suitable for all the skin types. Next up, I use these two serums. This one is from Mamaearth. It's the ginger extract serum. This has been working out so good for my skin, and I have all these pigmented areas right here, all the spots right here. So this product has been helping me out for a very long time, and recently I found out about Foxtail's spot reduction serum. This also helps to reduce all the spots and pigmented areas. So these two products have been working very well for me. To pair it up, I use this Bye Bye Blemishes face cream from again Mamaearth. Again, this is for my the pigmented area. For example, अगर मुझे आज पता चल रहा है कि मुझे इधर पिंपल आ रहा है, so I'll just take one teeny tiny drop. I'll just apply it on my face and keep it overnight. And अगर वो मैं पूरी रात लगा के रख देती हूँ, तो next day my pimple size has been reduced. This product is that good. I mean, it works for me. Next up is sunscreen. I use Aqualogica's, sunscreen. This has papaya and vitamin C. I think there's some sticker over here, so I don't know the exact name, but I'll pop it over here somewhere. This is such a good sunscreen. It will, hydrate my skin. It will nourish my skin, plus protect it from the UV rays. This is hands down the best sunscreen I've ever used. Now the last step of my skincare and my favorite step of the skincare is to apply lip balm. I have been using Laneige lip sleeping mask and I'm totally obsessed with it. Guys, मैं मेरे स्किन केयर में कोई भी स्टेप मिस कर दूंगी, बट नेवर दिस स्टेप. My lips, they always require some hydration. This is a wonderful product. It hydrates my lips so well. And इसके साथ, if I don't have this tub with me, I will always use Vaseline's, lip balm. Let me show you. I got this tube for me long time back. And जब मैं ऑफिस में या कहीं होती हूँ, या if I'm traveling somewhere and I have no lip balm with me, I carry this everywhere. Every single day, everywhere. So these two are my absolute favorite. Last but not the least, it will be an incomplete routine for me if I don't apply my favorite mist. I use Sol de Janeiro's Cheriosa 62 mist. This is what the mist looks like. It smells so good. It has pistachios and salted caramel, which again will make me smell like dessert. So this mist and this body lotion, it pairs so good together, and I'll apply it right now. Oh my god, it smells so good. I have one more favorite mist from Sol de Janeiro. It's this one. This is in Cheriosa 68, and these two are my absolute favorite. But currently, I'm being obsessed with this one since, it pairs up so nicely with the body lotion. And that is it. This was my everything shower routine. Let me know if you have used any of these before, or if you have any recommendations for me. I would love to try that out. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching. All the product links will be in the description below, so do check that out. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.